Hello? Yes, this is Paolo Tan. Yes. Can I talk to Mr. Johnny? Okay, I can wait. Okay. Hello? Mr. Johnny, yeah. It's me, Paolo. Yes. Yeah. Actually, my secretary told me that you called a while ago. Yes. About what? Oh, the papers. Actually, it's here. I'm still doing it. Yeah. Oh, sorry. I was in the meeting. Yeah. By the way, you want to set some schedule? Yes. Okay. So, about like this, let's have a dinner tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow night. Of course, it's dinner. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.